everyone, so today I'm going to be cooking up some chicken and stuffing balls. I'm also going to accompany this with some carrots, mashed, and some roast potatoes with a bit of gravy on the side. Now the chicken mince, all the ingredients were from Lidl. The chicken mince was £2.49, the stuffing mix was 45p, and the carrots were 69p. So the carrots were a little bit dearer than they are in Aldi, because I can get them for like under 30p for a bag of those. So anyway, I made up the stuffing, and then you want to get your chicken mince and put this in here, because like my little one, he's not keen on eating meat. Let's just take the packaging out of that. He's not keen on eating meat, you know, like chicken, just dried chicken on its own. So I've done this before with turkey mince as well, but I just thought I'd get chicken mince. So you want to be getting your chicken mince into the bowl or whatever you want to mix it up in, with your stuffing as well. And you can make this into like a meatloaf kind of like dish where you can put it all in and then slice it up yourself. Or you can make it into balls like I'm doing. So I've got the carrots on the stove here. I'm going to be making those into mashed carrots with loads of butter in. Love that. And then you want to be getting some of the mixture and just doing it how you would a stuffing ball, just like that, and getting that onto some baking paper. Like that, and I'm going to put in these into the oven. And that's what they should look like. And they're going to go into the oven now on 180 for 30 minutes. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? So I've just put some mashed carrot and potatoes on the plate, and these are ready to get out. There you go. Nice and crispy on the outside. I'm just going to stick 2 of these onto my plate, and some nice thick gravy that's been made with the carrot juice as well. You can add any veg you like, and let's dig in. There we go, all cooked in the inside. Let me just show you. Ooh. There we go. Let's give it a try. So easy to do, and to be honest, a really quick meal for your Sunday as well. If you can't be bothered cooking or, you know, putting your chicken in, what an easy way to do that. And like I say, for the little ones, these are fab because they don't have to eat the meat by itself. Give it a go, guys.